Toyota and CATL to build battery supply chain in Indonesia. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, TMMIN, has entered a strategic partnership with CATL, the world's largest electric vehicle (EV) battery manufacturer, to localize battery production in Indonesia. This collaboration aims to transform Indonesia from a mere assembly hub into a critical node in Toyota's global electrification supply chain. From assembly to full-scale manufacturing, the partnership involves a significant investment of 1.3 trillion rupiah, approximately $75.8 million USD. While TMMIN currently operates a battery pack assembly line at its Karawang plant for popular hybrid models, such as the Kijang Innova Zenix, Veloz, and Yaris, the scope of this project is much broader. The goal is to move up the value chain by localizing the production of battery cells and modules, which are currently imported. This shift will have a profound impact on local industry metrics. Current local content, approximately 8% limited to assembly. Projected local content, up to 80% once cell and module production is active. Boosting exports and regional influence, the project is not merely intended to satisfy domestic demand. TMMIN has announced plans to begin exporting both complete battery packs and individual battery components, starting in the second half of 2026. By establishing this manufacturing capability, Indonesia positions itself as a key supplier for Toyota's regional electrified vehicle market, moving beyond local consumption toward becoming an export powerhouse for hybrid technology. Context: the rise of hybrid demand in Indonesia. This move comes at a time of rapid growth for electrified vehicles in the Indonesian market. According to GAIKINDO data, the demand for electrified vehicles, primarily hybrids, saw a massive surge. 2024 sales, 103,452 units. 2025 sales, 177,367 units, a 71% increase. This growth aligns with Toyota's multi-pathway strategy. Rather than focusing solely on pure battery electric vehicles, BEVs, Toyota is diversifying its portfolio across hybrids, plug-in hybrids, fuel cells, and bioethanol blended vehicles. In a market where charging infrastructure for full EVs may still be developing, hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, serve as a crucial bridge for consumers transitioning away from internal combustion engines. The CATL factor and Indonesia's battery ambitions. CATL's involvement is a cornerstone of Indonesia's broader ambition to become a global battery hub. The company, which holds nearly half of the Chinese battery market, is already deeply integrated into the Indonesian landscape. In June 2025, CATL broke ground on a massive joint venture in Karawang with Indonesia Battery Corp and PT Angka Tambang. That project, which includes nickel mining and smelting, provides the raw material foundation that makes TMMIN's battery manufacturing feasible. This partnership represents a vertical integration of the supply chain linking Indonesia's rich nickel resources to high-tech manufacturing, and, ultimately, to global automotive exports. Conclusion: the Toyota CATL partnership marks a decisive shift for Indonesia, moving the nation from a consumer of battery technology to a sophisticated producer. By localizing the entire process from cells to packs, Toyota is securing its hybrid leadership while fueling Indonesia's emergence as a vital player in the global green energy transition.